This woman nearly gets away with shoplifting, but this cop will do everything in his power to stop her.
Please stop. Stop.
And I'm not with her.
Okay, do you have your receipt or no?
I don't know what's going on.
Stop and listen to me. If you didn't steal, do you have a receipt?
Yes, I have my receipt.
Where is
But
it?
I'm trying to figure out why he running after me. I don't even know.
Where is your receipt?
It's in my purse, but I'm saying I don't even know them.
Let me have your receipt then. I'll get you out of here in 10 seconds.
What the
Ma'am,
hell?
stop.
I'm gonna give it to you, sir.
Stop and give me the receipt
Okay,
right here.
please chill out. I'm gonna give it to you.
Stop.
I'm gonna give it to you, sir.
Sit down.
You have to do that. I'm telling you, I'm gonna give it to you.
Stop.
I'm gonna give it.
Stop. Keep going. Stay down. Put your hands behind your back.
To me.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm gonna give it. I'm gonna give it.
Stop.
I'm gonna give it to you.
Stop.
Bro, y'all doing the most.
Put your hands behind your back now.
Get up.
We're detaining one now.
Bro, I'm gonna give it to you.
She was charged with grand theft and 3 counts of resisting without violence. This is the 4th time she has been caught stealing, and she was given 60 days in jail. This next couple are trained fighters, so cops try to be careful when approaching them about shoplifting accusations. But this arrest is about to escalate.
For everyone's safety, I know you guys aren't going to want to do this, but unfortunately I just want to detain everyone for safety. So let's go ahead and turn this away from. This is just for safety precautions, okay?
What? For what? I'm not sure what's going on, but we have stuff that we need to do.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. With these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
No. Not if we don't have to.
Okay. You don't have to. That's your right. That's why I had to go over that with you.
I need water. I just finished.
Right, we just finished working out.
I might pass out. I haven't worked on like 3 weeks.
Do you need medical attention?
No, can we just get water at our own house?
Well, unfortunately, at this time, we're not going to do that. See, we have some information at Kohl's where you guys were in there and you proceeded past the point of payment, which means you guys are going to be charged with retail theft, okay? We've got some surveillance footage. We've got all of that.
Okay, I don't know what this means. What does this mean? So now our kids are gonna not be picked up from school?
Do you have a number, somebody that we can
No,
call to get them?
it's just us. This is ridiculous.
So if it's not you guys, then we have to call.
So you want our parents to fly from Chicago right now? Because that's not possible. We don't have any money. Can you get these?
We can
off of
call
me,
a
please?
friend or a family member to come help
don't
take
have a
care of
friend or
your son.
family member.
Then the next option.
And you're not taking our kids.
I'm not taking them. I'm going to have to contact DCF.
No, you're not.
To do that.
Absolutely not. You're not.
Unfortunately for that, that's what we're going to do. You don't get the choice of that anymore because you guys are both being placed under arrest
No,
for
we're
retail
not.
theft.
We did not steal anything.
Okay.
Okay.
If you'll
Well,
turn and face away from me, we'll put you down for weapons.
for weapons?
Yes. Do you have anything on you that's going to stick, poke, or hurt me?
No, I don't have anything. Go inside and turn around. This is ridiculous.
Is he enough?
This is ridiculous.
Stop.
No.
You're not
That's
doing
my.
it.
Look at my son.
Okay, then we'll walk to our car. He doesn't have to see it.
I appreciate your cooperation.
You don't want to
sir.
walk to the car? You want to get tased? That's what we want? You want to be
gonna
carried
sit
like
here.
a child? You want to show this to your son?
No, I don't know why you're here.
Stand
I'm
up.
not standing up.
Stand
I'm
up.
not standing up.
Now, do you want to stay here with her and then I'll just pull the car up?
That works.
And then we'll drag her from there.
You will not, because that's assault. You're assaulting me for no reason on my own property.
You want to go for resisting too?
No, I want to leave me alone, dude. You're not gonna wrestle me. I'm way stronger than you.
Okay, yeah, you are.
I know.
You are. So you want to go for resisting too?
Sure. I can't get my phone. How are we supposed to call her? Get off of me.
It's not happening now.
Okay. I'm going back in my house because this is my house.
You're going to get tased. You want tased?
Now.
You're going to get tased. Walk to the damn car.
Give me my shoes. Give me my shoes and my phone.
This is over.
This is.
You're about to get tased. Get up now.
You just pushed me down. How am I supposed to get
3
up?
seconds. Get up or you're going to get tased. 1,
bullshit. I can't get up because you're pushing me down. Give me my shoes.
One.
Give me my shoes. Stop coming to my house and assaulting me on my property. Who do you think you are? That's what I'd like to know. How am I supposed to call someone without my phone? Can you tell me that?
Put your legs in.
Can you tell me how I'm supposed to call someone without my phone?
Phone's in the wall.
There's no, how am I supposed to get a phone number?
Remember them.
Huh?
What's your phone?
Remember them? We don't have anyone here.
You're about to get it again. Stop.
Go. Give me my phone.
They were both charged with petty theft, and the female received a charge of resisting arrest without violence. This suspected shoplifter may not look the type to shoplift, as police find her sat in a $100,000 Mercedes. Could this be a case of mistaken identity?
Hello.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Basically, want to talk to you about something. You matched the description of a female that we're looking for right now. Why you out of breath? What's going on?
Oh no, I was on the phone. I just got wet.
Okay.
You saw I matched what?
You matched the description of a female we're looking for. You mind if I get your ID?
I matched the description.
Did you you go on Carter's at all?
Did we do what?
Did you go to Carter's?
I had bought something from there.
So you brought something from there? What did you get?
I got my receipt and everything.
Okay. All right. We'll just get your ID and then we'll
The yellow one matching the description.
confirm if it's you.
All right, so she do got a Carter's bag, so she's brought stuff out of I there. got my receipts and everything.
Oh, she got a Carter's bag?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to figure it out.
I called you guys as she was running a corner, and her breasts were suddenly huge because she stuffed all the product down her shirt and into her purse.
About how much did you think they took?
Probably like $1,000.
$1,000?
Wow.
They took.
You could provide an itemized receipt.
She does have a Carter's bag. But we'll be at the Nike store.
Everything. What did she say about Carter? What was supposed to be said about Carter's?
Are you able to walk over there and ID them?
Ma'am, can you just step out the car for me, please? For right now, you're just going to be detained, okay? So I have to place you in cuffs.
I'm being detained though.
You're not under arrest. Like we said, you matched description of somebody that stole items from Carter's. Okay, you have a Carter's bag. Like, once they confirm it is or not you, if it's not you, then we'll let you go. But it is you, then we'll have a talk about that, right?
We'll head back there and look at cameras. You guys got cameras, right?
Yes, we do.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say when you use as evidence against you. Do you understand your rights?
Yes.
With these rights of mine, you want to talk to me or any one of my partners that come on scene and ask you questions.
Okay.
Yes?
I want to talk to the lady in Carter's because I'm trying to figure out what I supposed to do.
What we're trying to figure out too. Apparently, we just got a call about two females matching the description you're wearing. My partner saw you go inside the vehicle, and that's pretty much it. Someone just stealing from Carter's. You have a
My
Carter's
stuff
bag.
right there.
Okay, but you have a Carter's bag, okay, and we have to make sure that everything's accounted for in that bag.
Okay.
Okay. But that's what we're here for. Just kind of a little suspicious that you're not even in the driver's seat. You're in the passenger seat. So where's your friend?
Where's who?
Where's the driver over there?
My sister? Yeah, I'm waiting on her. She. How long is it gonna take her to get over here?
Who?
Who you waiting on?
I'm waiting on my partner to see.
Basically, they're going to bring somebody over here, right?
Say whether it is you or whether
It's not you. Like I told you, if it's not you, then we let you go. If it is you, then we'll have a conversation, see what they want to do, right?
Okay.
Is this your car?
No.
Where's the car you came in?
This is the car I came in, but it's not my car.
She was sitting inside.
Okay. Where's your
Yeah,
sister
all that
now?
stuff right there.
You want to call her?
Y'all gonna take this out?
Yeah. You want to call her?
Yeah, I'll call her.
Okay.
You want me to call her with the cuffs on?
You just had your phone in your hand with the cuffs on.
I know, but it's uncomfortable.
Did you leave with Barker or are you still here?
She gone.
Okay. Perfect. We'll do a warrant for her and then.
Man, this is crazy.
Yeah, what do you
So
want?
he trying to take me to jail and I didn't take anything?
Well, they have you on camera.
I didn't take anything.
But it says otherwise. That you did.
Where is it out on camera? Tell her to show me.
They looked at it already.
They already looked.
That's why they called us. They gave the description, they provided the description, your sister and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I mean, you taking a ride, she's not. She said she ain't here. She just have a warrant out for arrest.
You're saying you paid for these?
Yes.
Is there a receipt in here for these? Okay.
Except this is a receipt from Sanford.
That's what I'm saying. All my stuff is paid for. When I went in there, I was exchanging. She held my stuff at the counter literally for me.
What car is y'all's?
That's the same. That's not my car.
Is this the car you guys came in?
No.
She's killing it. She's just killing it.
She got it when I got
It's
it.
her car.
So is there anything in the car?
No.
You got the keys for the car?
No.
Can we search the car?
No.
Well, it's not her car.
It's not mine, and I'm not giving no authority to search nobody's car.
Well, it's not your car, so you can't get that authority anyway.
This is the girl that. So the one lady came in, brought it to the counter, and she went behind and already took some baby girl items, left the store, and came back again.
Okay.
Well, she lying. She didn't see me steal nothing. Let me see my phone.
No, it's okay.
I know what's going
You
on.
have to search you, okay, before you go in.
Okay.
Okay?
She claimed that she had to do an exchange because she had twin baby boys that were a year old.
Yeah, but look at this. Card declined, canceled. Card declined, canceled. So they're using stolen credit cards. Look at all these different cards that are declined.
Perfect.
This is a no sale. Every single transaction on here is declined. All those transactions are declined transactions. Another big bag up here.
Okay.
Cool. So we need itemized receipts for that. This is all Carter's.
That's our stuff too?
Yeah, this is all Carter's.
She was charged with grand theft and petty theft after being accused of stealing $4,000 in merchandise. She would go on to be given 18 months probation and ordered to take anti-theft classes. These next two shoplifters are about to instantly regret their life choices.
I put it back.
Why are you running from us?
Because I was paranoid. Because I knew that they were following me, so I didn't take anything. I swear I didn't.
All right.
I put it back. I didn't leave the store with nothing.
Okay. All right. Take a seat on the curb for me, okay?
I will pay you. November 11th.
I didn't take anything. I was going to, but I didn't.
What's your first name?
Micah, M-I-K.
All right. You're not free to leave right now, so I'm going to read you your rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used as evidence against you in a criminal prosecution.
The car, I don't even know where I'm at. You're gonna have to go get the car.
I mean, I just know I didn't take anything, so.
Okay. So then why were you running?
Because they were following me through the store, so I knew that they thought I sold something, so I left.
Well, I mean, I get that, but to then run across 44 with
Because I just was scared.
traffic going by at 55 miles an hour. So if I walk the little trail that you came through and everything, I'm not going to find anything?
No. Promise.
Okay, can I send him my location so he can come get the car?
If y'all want to send the
Can I say bye to my daughter?
Is your daughter in the car?
No. I would never do that.
You have a warrant.
I know.
I will say this though, the car and stuff, if there's dope in that car, that's going to be a real bad issue for your boyfriend. Whoever's getting the car.
The only thing that should be in there is needle, and it's not even mine.
Just some needles?
Yes.
So the plan was to go out and take something?
Yesterday, me and my boyfriend broke up, and he destroyed my e-bike. And I was trying to, get some money together to get me a new bike. So they started following me in the store. I seen them, so I couldn't take anything because I didn't want to get in trouble.
Do you have a purse with you or anything?
I left it.
Where at?
In the store.
You left your purse in the store?
Right outside, yeah.
Okay. Why would you leave your purse?
Because I didn't want to steal anything.
Was there merchandise in your purse?
There was one.
And that's why you left it? Okay.
I didn't want to take it.
Okay. There's merchandise in your purse, and that's why you left your purse.
I was going to take it, but then I was like, no, better not. I don't want to get in trouble, so I left. Nothing.
Where did you leave it at out there?
I don't know. I was nervous. I was leaving the store.
Well, I'm trying to help you out if we can find where it is, and
in the store.
then I can.
What your purse look like?
Brown.
Brown?
Got it. Because right now I don't know what was taken. I don't know who took it. If it got to the car, what happened? Okay. Then I see you fleeing across the street through traffic.
Because they follow me out the store,
Okay, so right now you're just detained because we're trying to figure out what we got over there.
Just sit down for now. I'm not searching you or anything yet. Yeah, we got one girl here who's on video actually taking stuff. And then that girl at least concealed stuff. She should have some copper wire on her person. AP's telling me that she walked out with her purse. They have it on video and they walked out right behind her and she still had her purse.
She must have ditched it somewhere on the way over here then, because when I saw her, I didn't notice her having a purse.
We'll look around over here for it, but AP watched her walk out with her purse.
If you'll stand up for me, put your hands behind your back, okay? We're gonna detain you for now, okay? I don't know if the AP wants to press charges or anything yet, but
Actually, I went in the bank and attempted to rob it. Because I didn't rob it, now I get to go free. Would that work? Would that work for robbing a bank?
Okay.
But I didn't do
Okay.
anything.
you can sit back
Same
down.
thing.
Just check that picture I just sent you. That's the same girl you're out with right now, right?
Yeah, same girl. She threw on a different top though.
Yeah, copy that. She ditched her purse behind the sheds over here, so.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Cool to sit with her real quick. She's answered all my questions. She's been cool. She's still smoking a cigarette. I'm just gonna go check out this girl's purse that she stuffed wire in and dumped it.
Remember going to jail?
Yep.
For what?
For retail theft.
I didn't take anything.
Here it is.
Nice.
Probably nothing in it. She probably dumped it in the car.
We'll find out.
Yeah.
I mean, is this the stuff that she stole?
Oh, yeah, the black wire. Sorry. I thought
Very
that
cool.
was
She said I left it in the garden section. I guess she kind of left it in a garden, but
Put your hands up here, please.
I think it's just the copper fittings. But yeah, found your purse.
Is there anything in your hair?
Oh, no, here.
Shake it. Alright, you can put that back up.
And then I'll type my shit out.
They were both charged with petty theft. This shoplifter is about to spiral out of control after realizing that she's been caught.
Do you remember me by chance?
No.
No? Okay. Because we got Walmart a week ago. I remember you.
So you were up here doing this last week? Because that bunny was stolen, wasn't it?
I didn't steal that bunny.
Oh, okay. You were just with the people that were doing it?
You just got out of jail for felony shoplifting and you come back to Walmart to steal some more?
No, I just needed a bed to put my stuff in.
Well, obviously you didn't learn your lesson the first time. First time's a mistake.
Go ahead and stand up for any place around. Can't find your back.
I
Go to jail, yes.
Oh my God! I didn't come up with you! No!
Stop! Stop!
No. Stop.
Stop! Stop!
Stop! I don't have nobody to bail me out!
I got this arm if you
I
get
don't have
on.
nobody to bail me out! Oh, okay, I want to go to jail! I don't want to go to jail! Okay, please!
Now you got resisting.
No, okay, no!
You got additional charges in there.
Okay.
No, I just want to call my boyfriend. No, I can't go.
Well, had you act like a lady and asked, you probably got your phone call to your boyfriend.
I'm sorry, but I can't go back to jail. No, I can't.
Well, you shouldn't have stole.
I didn't. I just want a bad. I didn't. No, I can't go back to jail. I'm sorry if I resist. I'm sorry. I'm too heartbroken.
Take a deep breath. Come here. Come here. Take a deep breath.
Can I call him right quick?
You would have gotten that had you
I'm
cooperated.
sorry, but I'm just nervous. I was just scared. Like, sorry, I can't get arrested again. I'm so sorry. I can't go to jail again. Like, please forgive me. Please, can y'all please forgive me?
We're going to have to throw this away because you can't take it to jail.
I need to call him. He's gonna be mad. Please. I can't go back to jail. I can't go back to jail.
She was charged with larceny, shoplifting, obstruction, and false representations to the police. If you've enjoyed watching these shoplifters get served swift justice, check out this video and don't forget to subscribe for more.